ones that should be off still hurt people. LOTO Manager Pro fixes that. A complete control of hazardous energy system that runs entirely offline, in your browser. No servers, no subscriptions. Just unzip and protect your people. The moment it opens, your whole program comes alive. Live KPIs, 16 interactive charts, and a critical alert banner that tells you instantly what needs attention today. Your entire safety picture on one screen. Built-in artificial intelligence that runs on your device. It scores your program out of 100, ranks every risk, and tells you exactly what to fix first. Transparent, honest, always on your side. One click and your entire app refocuses. Charts, reports, scores, every number snaps to the period you choose. This month? This year? Your data exactly the way you need to see it. Every compliant program starts with a written document. Purpose, scope, responsibilities, enforcement. Guided, complete, and dated. One click prints your full energy control program, ready for any inspector.
Facilities and areas. Every isolation begins with a place. Map your sites, plants, and areas, the backbone of your whole program. Clear structure, so nothing and no one gets lost on the floor. Equipment register. Every machine, every energy source, logged with its lockable device test and exception evidence built right in. When the law asks, prove it, you'll have the record instantly. Energy control procedures. The heart of Lockout Tagout, your written procedures. A guided builder walks every step. Shutdown, isolate, apply, verify. It even cites the exact regulation. Compliance made effortless.
Live isolations. This is the part that protects lives. Shut down, isolate, lock, release stored energy, and verify zero energy. You cannot mark it safe until it's confirmed. The system won't let you. Isolation certificates. Big shutdown? Dozens of isolation points under one controlled certificate. Positive isolation, gas testing, authority sign-off, conflict detection, all tracked. Turnaround grade control in a single document. Blind register. Before startup, nothing must be left inside. Track every blind and spade, installed and removed. So when the plant comes back to life, it comes back safe. Permits to work. High-risk work needs authority. Raise it, approve it, and link it straight to the isolation it protects. Every permit accounted for. Every job authorized before it begins.
When something goes wrong, you investigate and you learn. Capture every incident, link the root cause, and drive the corrective action. Turn a near miss into a lesson that prevents the next one. Can't lock it? Then you must justify it. Document why Tagout alone protects the worker, exactly as the regulation demands. Defensible? Documented. Never left to chance. Many workers, one machine. Every person, their own lock, tracked from first on to last off. No one is exposed until everyone is clear. One key, locked away, safe. The lockbox holds it, so the energy stays controlled until every last padlock is removed. Simple, visual, foolproof. Shifts change, but protection never lapses. Document the handover, outgoing to incoming, and confirm continuity in writing. The lock stays on, and so does the safety. Outside crews, inside your rules. Coordinate every contractor's lockout, brief them, and record it.
Periodic inspection. The law requires it every year. Certified inspections of every procedure, with the tag limitations review built right in. Proof you didn't just write it, you checked it. Audits. Go deeper than the annual check. Run structured audits, score them, and capture every finding. Find the gaps yourself before anyone else does. Audit log. Every change quietly recorded. Who did what and when. An automatic, tamper-evident trail across the entire system. Accountability without lifting a finger. Training and competency. A procedure is only as strong as the people who use it. Track every authorized and affected worker and get warned before training expires. Competent people, verified. Hardware register. Locks, tags, hasps, standardized and unique to LOTO. Track every device and prove it conforms, because the right hardware is the difference between control and an accident. KPI. A finding without a fix is just a risk waiting. Assign corrective actions, set the due date, and drive them to closed. Continuous improvement you can actually see.
Management review. Leadership owns safety. Record management reviews, decisions, and commitments. The ISO 45001 heartbeat of your program. Proof that the top of the house is engaged. Document register. Policies, procedures, certificates, all in one place. Versioned, dated, and controlled. No more hunting through folders. The right document, every time. People roster. One roster for your whole team. Every name, every role, used consistently across every record in the app. Clean data starts with knowing who. Users and access. The right access for the right role. Scope each user to their site and responsibilities, and stamp every action they take. Control with accountability. Master data. Set your lists once. Use them everywhere. Energy types, methods, locations, consistent across every form. Less typing, fewer errors, cleaner reports. Project settings. Make it yours. Add your organization, your site, your HSE manager, and your logo. Every report, every certificate carries your brand.
Reports and exports. Need to brief the board? Generate a professional PowerPoint in seconds. A styled Excel workbook? Branded PDFs and certificates. All offline. All carrying your logo. OSHA inspection readiness. An inspector walks in. One click produces your complete OSHA readiness pack. Program, procedures, training, and a clause-by-clause checklist. Here's everything, Inspector. Backup and restore. Your data stays with you. One click backs up everything to a single file. Move it, restore it, keep it safe. Private. Portable. Always yours.